What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So it's about that time that I go through my portfolio, right? I do that every single month on the first of the month to show you guys how I've progressed or how things have fallen back down, depending on what the market has done or how my investments have really gone, right? I like to be as transparent as possible when it comes to, my investments. And there's a lot of things that I get right, a lot of positives that I gain, and a lot of, negatives that I have. It's just the nature of investing, especially when it comes to just really following the markets and how the markets are flowing, because the markets will be up one day, down the next week, down the next month, down the next year, as we've seen, in the past year or so, where crypto has not really been going our way. Investments in general haven't really been going our way. So I wanted to take you through my investments. Now it's going to be a little bit different. I'm not going to go through the actual platforms because it takes too much time to edit those, and I only have a little bit of time to record this. So it is going to be a quicker video, hopefully still around 8 minutes, because mid-roll ads and all of that stuff need to be added in. But we're going to talk about my investments and talk about what is invested in those platforms. And I won't be showing you guys the physical investments within there, but I will be talking about the ones that are kind of leading the way for that platform. So make sure you guys hit the like button, also hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, if you guys want to check out some of the links down below, you can definitely check out those links. One of those links being for my Twitter. If you guys want to follow me on Twitter, you can either type it in at Perry8K, or you can just click the link down below and you'll get that link to my Twitter. Also, I have Instagram, I have TikTok, Twitch, everything, right? So just check out those links down below. Anyways, let's go ahead and dive into this. So we're going to go through the entire portfolio. You're going to see everything right from the start. So if you wanted to just get where we are percentage wise, you'll see everything right from the start. So let's go ahead and get into this. You're going to see here, hopefully you can see the screen well. I tried to do dark mode in Excel, but the sheet still comes up white. So I had to change the sheet to gray. So hopefully it still works. But you can see here as we look at how this last year has gone from October to about the same time frame, how this year has really gone, right? We've seen this from $27,000 the next month up to $30,000 and 34, then 43, then 45, right? Things were growing, things were making moves, and we were adding a little bit of money here and there. And we were also seeing things like Farm Coin take off, Krill Coin take off, make some moves, and then all of a sudden we see things really start to fall back. Right around the time where I actually opened this, right about the time that I actually started to, track it every single month, the market started to really pull back. So it sucks that happened, but we have to move on. We see the negative things. We also see the positive things that are happening. So if we look at from last month to this month, last month being July and the beginning of this month where we stand, you can see the differences here. You can see where things change. Let's go ahead and look at the differences. So we're going to take whatever this month is and we're going to subtract this month. So we could see how much things have changed positively or negatively for some things. And some things you'll see it change because I moved it to different platforms. So anyways, let's go down the list. So we have Robinhood here. Robinhood, we have about $70.96. Coinbase, we have $9,000, $9,826.60. Coinbase Pro, we still have about $10 in there with a position that I never bought before, so I don't want to move it. Crypto.com is around $11,628. MetaMask is $7,239. That's give or take a couple thousand because I can't get the value of what Luna T and a couple of other things are. I would have to go through a manual way to do that. Trust Wallet is around $33.40. L Bank is $2,622. The DeFi wallet is $8,103. So the total amount that we have in our investment accounts, are crypto investment accounts, I don't believe there's any other ones, is $39,534.60, which is an increase of $10,813 over the last month. And that's a 38% increase. So obviously things are looking pretty good for that. And we have seen a little bit of movement. We've also seen some things like, Luna T take off and make some moves. We've seen Luna Classic make people some money, make me some money. So obviously, you're able to see the positivity in what month over month, right? If we look at how things have changed, you can see that Coinbase and Coinbase Pro, they're a wash because I moved things from Coinbase Pro over to Coinbase. Robinhood is a $2 or $3 increase. We have Crypto.com, that is a $2,000 increase. Now, I did add 200 for a position, but everything else was an increase of most likely CRO. Shiba Inu is in there as well. So, yeah, that's probably it. And then we also have, let's see, MetaMask. Oh no, there was an increase of Farmcoin, not CRO. CRO, majority of CRO is over in the DeFi wallet. This is an increase in Farmcoin. So I went from investing $1,000 to gaining another $1,000. So that's where that came from. The 1,000 that I invested, or technically 800 that I invested, turned into about $2,000. So that's why you're seeing that difference there. It's mainly coming from Farmcoin or Farm token, right? Then we have MetaMask. The reason why we're having this increase is because of Zelda Inu that I was given. And then also Luna T was a large increase for me. And I believe there's one more thing. I can't remember what it is. So I just can't remember. But Luna T and Zelda Inu were probably the biggest portions to why we did see that increase. L Bank, Zelda Inu increased in price, and I gained about $1,000 on that. The DeFi wallet, it was at half a cent, and now it's closer to 1 cent. So that's why we are seeing that increase from 1,400 to 2,622. Then the DeFi wallet, this has increased. This is basically all CRO, and also Cosmos in there. So I have two positions that I'm gaining APY on, or interest on, which is CRO and Cosmos. And I've gained about $100 in, or $200, close to that, in an APY for CRO. And then Cosmos, I've gained 2 Cosmos, which is worth about $20 right now. So yeah, I've gained quite a bit over this last month. This change from the first to the first, I've gained quite a bit. Now, it's not anything to write home about. Like, it's not a absolute, killing of a gain, right? We're not seeing $100,000 here, which hopefully in the next couple of months we will see that in one of these positions at least. But, I'm happy with a 38% gain. A lot of people don't see that month over month, but they're seeing how we have had a larger loss. Like, if we take the previous losses that we had, so this to this, we had a 63% loss over that downturn, where Terra Luna fell down massively, Bitcoin fell down massively, everything was really falling. It's a 63% loss from May to July. And then now seeing that from, let's just adjust this, cancel. Let's just adjust this and show you guys what it is from May to August here. So it's, and let me make sure that that's right. Taking this and not dividing that. Why am I dividing it? So maybe that's not right. I didn't do that right. Let's see. Come on, man. Why am I not doing this math right? I don't know what I'm doing at this point. I don't even know where this came from, why I'm doing that there, but it is a 38% increase. The only reason is, because I don't have the differences in between it. Never mind. We don't know what the actual difference was unless we change this to this right here, and then we'll know what the difference is with the previous month. So down 37%. There we go. Perfect. Anyways, we're still seeing a decent size increase for this month. I'm up quite a bit, 38% I'm up right now over the last month. I'll take it. I will take it any day of the week. And I just want to see this thing really run, get back to normal, at least mid levels, and not even looking at all-time highs. Just imagine when they're at all-time highs, a lot of these things are going to make huge moves. Like, say right now and what I'm holding in CRO, if it gets back to 50 cents, well, we're looking at 5x where we are right now. So obviously things are going to be moving quite a bit from that. You have other positions where Luna can make some moves, Shiba Inu can make some moves, right? Farmcoin can definitely make some moves. So there's a lot of potential and a lot of profit. But anyways, guys, let me know what you think about this. This is my update, portfolio update for August. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of those links down below. It does help out the channel. I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you in the next one.